For this problem, we have 5 times the number is greater than 30. So for this problem, let me grab a pen first. We're going to do the opposite of multiplying by n, which is dividing by 5, right? So again, this means 5 times n. So the opposite of timesing by 5 is dividing by 5. So we're going to divide both sides by 5. And when I do that, these 5's cancel out. And we end up with n is going to be greater than 6. All right, so that's going to be our solution. N is greater than 6. But now let's graph it, okay? So again, because it's greater than, this is going to be an open circle. And again, it's going to be going to the right because all numbers greater than 6 are solutions, okay? So remember, this is greater than. That's why that's an open circle. If it was greater than or equal to, it'd be a closed circle.